dove underwater and my ears dropped down.
Today on the Rolling Kitchen, we have a salad, our first of the trip. It's really hot outside. It smells so woody and good. I love that. The fruit basket. Do you smell it? Couldn't have got a video of me like cutting these and it worked. Alright guys, so we are the Kitchen on Wheels and we are in a complete parking garage right now with a sweet meal right here. No one's adding some cheese. Got this slices of cheese for our meal. I'm really excited about it. So.
And I walked behind, but you kept on making the same turn that I was on to find myself. The same bar that I was going to.
Got some spinach, eggs, and sausage.
It was
Slope got a little flat, but I don't have my tool to get my tire off. So, look who's coming to the rescue. Oh, Steels. California, especially on the Pacific Ocean. As you can see right here, Georgia to Cali. It's pretty close to me. I love that. Camp spot last night. Boom. Be Fast This Morning, sponsored by Char Char Binks. We are here at GoWesty. Here's the shop. A lot of Westies. We just got into Yosemite National Park and we are heading down Tunnel View right now. We're here in the Yosemite Valley parking lot, and we're cooking up our signature pancakes, dark chocolate. So this, all right, go ahead and start crushing it. Strawberry milk, chocolate chip pancakes. Guys, right here we have some green peppers, 4 eggs, a pound of beef, spinach sitting on a tortilla. With the front end horse and all. Back from Bob Dylan's Nashville Skyline days, if you do recall. Through the Yosemite Valley. Yeah, I said I don't normally do this karaoke thing. If I do, I just right here making sandwiches at this information center. We have some egg, tomatoes, mayo, turkey. And what's been really funny is we've had a lot of people approach us and ask if we work here. And we just say that we do, and usually we're able to help them, which is pretty neat.
Is there like a bike trail?
It's going to be towards in this direction. So, to take you there.
Did you?
Yeah, of course. When you're running inside, there's actually a bridge right now. I used to roam around, play my own guitar. This dude. Right, we have some Alfredo sauce, noodles, beef. Oh, the mash here. Nice spot for dinner. You gotta get in it. Ew. But just today, the most amazing thing. Gaining some elevation. And I felt finally have Glacier Point in visual. You said in our scope, sing it to me. So there's where we parked. That little swinging bridge. Here is where we are now. Check that. It's weird. All the way. Oh, there's Bone.
said okay. Here goes.
To this pretty cool rock that juts out over this beautiful valley. Today at our little eating facilities is this sunflower oil tuna. Now this costs the same exact, but look at the stats on it. Plus like double the calories and protein. Same price. That's where we were. Full day here. We have some rice, veggies, chicken, and a tea. We're really excited. We're tired. We're about to eat this. We're about to go hang out in some water. We're excited. Go enjoy one of our last nights at Yosemite with some brews, some beans, our stove, and a photographer. Bag secured.
Your eyes were scared.
This is not an ad.
Then you looked at me from 3 rows away.
Out to sit in our Kelty 2-person
He stopped staring.
and eat our beans. It's 2 boys and their beans. Nols, tap me, bro. Scrumptious brunch right next to our information pavilion. This morning we have spinny and egg taters. The turkey lurkey.
You walked on down the street, and I walked behind, but you kept on making that I was going to find me. You stepped
Keep going, keep going.
same
Come on, guys, keep
We're
going.
in Palo Alto on a Caltrain, staying at a friend's house. We're heading to San Fran to see the Giants game. Heroes right here.